Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back again to our channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. Please bear witness for that because I made over 250 videos so far on Shopify customization. They were mostly requested by you guys. And I know some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them. So don't hesitate, man. If you have any requests or any questions, just drop me a comment below. I will be happy to provide you the information you need or even make a video for you. And yeah, you don't have to subscribe. Or maybe now you should consider doing so, because if you don't, you lose. Now is a very different chapter on this channel. I usually share small customizations, but now we'll be sharing complete sections and widgets, highly customizable to make your Shopify store very unique and professional without having to pay for those expensive teams or rely on those expensive developers, or even worse, paying for those monthly subscription applications that will drain your money, and it's not a very good idea for a long-term project. But I give you a better deal. Scroll down to your channel, check out the videos and sections I'm sharing, and I'll let you be the judge, and I respect your decision. But for now, let me fulfill again another request, which is how to adjust the spacing between elements on the product page and your Shopify store. And yes, I will fulfill both actually on horizon theme, which is the new ones, and down theme, which is the most popular and the most flexible one. So yeah, I will provide you with two codes. The first one for down theme to adjust the space between elements on the product page for down theme, and a second code will do the same job but for a horizon theme and the other variants. So yeah, I do that for subscribers, man. If you have any video requests, again, drop me a comment and you will see a video just like this one. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is a Shopify down theme. I always start with completely new theme, nothing on it. In each video I add small customizations. By the video 50 or 60, the theme will be completely different. But I think I reached that level already halfway. For example, check out this all-in-one reviews carousel. There were reviews from multiple sources: Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Etsy, all in one place, and it's filterable. If I click on Google, only the reviews from Google, and so on for the others. Or even better, check out this recent sales notification that will show you the recent sales on your Shopify store by using your own custom code, and it's highly customizable. You can customize the behavior for it, for who to show up, first-time visitors or returning visitors, and also the interval between each one, and position, and the colors, and many more options that you don't even need. I add them for you just in case. And not just one, it's many more options. But as I said, in this video, I will show you how to adjust the spacing between elements on the product page. So I will scroll now to access a product page to show you that in action. So I will start scrolling right now. Every little thing that you see in the Shopify store has been done in tutorials. So if you saw anything that you like and you think it looks good and you want to implement it in your store as well, then just check out the channel, because once it's here on the Shopify store, it means it's already been done in one of my previous videos. I don't remove the changes from here, I keep them so people can see them. So here is, I think, featured product, almost here is. So let's just check out, or I just forgot. This one has many more things, as you can see. And those things, they don't come by default with the theme. So you have to add them, and all of them, I add them in my videos and tutorials, and all of are free actually. Even like wishlist system, as you can see, all are free. So actually, let me close this one. And we do demonstration on a fresh down theme. So the first one, as I said, we'll do demonstration on down. Then we will do demonstration on horizon. So whatever you use will work for you. So let's just access a product. This one has variants for the colors and so on. Yeah, by the way, color swatches, I did that in videos. And completely free, and by using your own custom code. No applications involved here. So I will quit, man. I promise I will quit. So we will keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it in action. So get back to Shopify dashboard and click on the three dots on left of customize and click on edit. Then it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme. And in here we need to find a specific file. Instead of looking at the folders, use the search bar at the top left corner, then type in base, and you will see this file right here, base.css. Simply click on it, then scroll all the way down. Let me scroll down because it's a huge file. Here we go. And in here we need to create some space. In case there is no space, simply click in front of it, then click on enter on your keyboard. Here we go to create that space. Then we need to paste in the code. And where are you gonna get that code? Simply scroll down the description box and you will see a link to my website, completely free again. Just click on it and it will take you to this page right here, and scroll down, and this is the code for down theme and the previous themes. So down on all the other variants, refresh and so on. So click on this icon right here to copy the code. Simply click on it, then get back in here and paste it in here. Let me get back to the darker screen so you can see clearly. as you can see. So I added comments for each option so you understand each class name and its role. So you will be able to adjust everything correctly. So the first one is product title spacing. This one, the product title spacing. And the second one is product price and sale badge spacing. This one, if you want to increase the space, simply increase the number and vice versa. The other one, variant title on option spacing, is 30px. Px stands for pixel, and below is spacing between and so on. It's a huge list, as you can see. So we will click on save, then we'll see what that will do. As you can see, each one is 25, 15, 30, it's different. So now let's just get back in here and reload the page. As you can see, it increased the size. Let me increase the number so you can see that clearly. Now I added more space, as you can see. So let me get back in here, reload the page, and see that will be a huge difference, as you can see. Check out the spacing now, it's too much. I don't recommend you to keep it like this. Now you just have to adjust the numbers to get exactly the space you need. And the second code for horizon on the new teams. The same exact code, as you can see. Each code has the comments so it can describe what it does. This one, product spacing, pricing spacing, divider elements, variant picker container, everything. I did named everything so you don't get confused. And same, just copy the code from here and get back in here. Then click on the three dots for horizon for the team you are using, and it will take you to code editor. Same file actually, base. Search for base, then click on it, then simply paste it at the bottom of the file. In here, then you're done, and adjust the numbers to the size you want. And if you have any requests to this code or anything you want to add, just drop me a comment below. I will be happy to help you out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.